Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will help you study for AP Macroeconomics. Begin with a structured weekly plan that rotates topics, with 1 day for graphs, 1 for equations, and 1 for practice tests. Break study sessions into focused 30 to 50-minute blocks with short breaks to improve retention. Use active recall and spaced repetition for formulas and definitions. Track progress with timed quizzes, and adjust the plan based on weak areas and practice exam results. In this video, I will help you study for AP Macroeconomics. Concentrate on foundational ideas like GDP calculation, inflation measurement, unemployment types, and productivity drivers. Learn how monetary policy uses reserve requirements, discount rate, and open market operations to shift the money supply. Study how fiscal decisions change aggregate demand through government spending and taxation, and practice diagramming policy impacts on output and price levels for clear exam explanations. In this video, I will help you study for AP Macroeconomics. Simulate full-length exams to build endurance and practice pacing for both multiple choice and free response sections. Develop a template for FRQs that includes a labeled graph, short explanation, and final numeric or directional answer when appropriate. After each practice test, analyze mistakes, update a summary sheet of weak topics, and focus next sessions on those areas until accuracy improves consistently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.